Welcome to Cooking in Kids Kitchen. Today in the kitchen we're going to be learning how to make scrambled eggs. You can do this in the morning, at lunchtime or at dinner time. So to make scrambled eggs you'll need a fork, splash of milk, a bowl about this size and 2 eggs. Crack both eggs in. You don't want any eggshell. If you do drop shell in, use another bit of shell to get it out. Make sure you wash your hands if you've got egg on them. Now I'm going to add in my milk. And now I whisk it together. When your mixture looks a bit like this, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take out of the microwave and whisk again. Just whisk the liquid. Break up the bits and mix. Stir it around with your fork. You can add in salt and pepper, bits of bacon, mushroom, or put it on a plate and serve with toast. I like to add a whole lot of pepper. And now it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Yummy! Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking in Kids Kitchen. Bye!